Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change personal information on Yahoo Mail account. Let's access our Yahoo account. There, click on Contacts on the side. After this, click on the contact to edit. From the Contacts menu, select Edit Contact. Now make the desired changes to this contact. When you do them, click Save. As you can see, the data has been changed correctly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.